So what's up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel here on Sugar Fingers. I totally have some weird beauty habits that I do, beauty hacks, if you might say. This is a lip balm from AVON, and I use it for my eyes. This helps to kind of tone down any little fine lines that may appear. It's moisturizing. If it moisturizes the lips and good enough for the lips, I can put it on my skin. So I'm just going to do my makeup today, but I am going to actually answer some beauty questions today. Yes, I am. So I am going to do a voiceover with these 30 beauty questions. Now, will I do all 30? I'm not sure. Just depends on how long or how many questions I can get in during this video, which is about 13 or so minutes long. So let's just get to the beauty questions. And hey y'all, hey, what's up, beautiful babes? Thanks for coming to hang out with me over here on Sugar Fingers. If you're new, welcome in. Don't be new again. Come back time and time again. Subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know when I upload. And if you are a regular, y'all already know the deal. You already know the drill. Thank you so much for being here. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, and I'm like super excited about that. But let me get to these questions. Oh, before I get started, all of the makeup will be in the description box under this video, so check that out if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using today. And yes, I do use affiliate links, so be aware of that. Now, these questions, let's do this. It says, the first one, do you remember what your first makeup item was? Do I remember what my first, of course, quite naturally, it's going to be like a lip gloss or a lipstick. A lip gloss, more than likely. So that's probably every young girl. Yeah, you get some lipstick or lip gloss, and possibly even if you want to consider, well, nail polish isn't really makeup, so I'll pass on that. Number 2, can you describe your perfect mascara? Have you found one that is perfect? If you know me and you've been on this channel for a while, you already know that I only use the Maybelline Falsies Waterproof. That is it. That is my fail-proof mascara. Comes through for me every time. I am a saxophonist singer on the blues circuit. Yes. And when I'm working up a sweat on that stage, baby, I don't need nothing dribbling down my face, in my eyes. I stick with the Maybelline Falsies, and I'm using it in this video, as a matter of fact, so I'll have it linked below. Number 3, what kind of coverage do you prefer from your foundations? I like a medium to full coverage. I don't need a whole lot of something to hide any type of imperfections. You know, I'm an older woman, age 57, so I do want to, you know, at least smoothen my skin out as much as I possibly can without anything going into the creases and all of that and looking horrid. So medium to full coverage. Number 4, what is your favorite drugstore affordable brand? Well, I'm just going to say, I don't know whether people consider it affordable or not, but I will go with L'Oreal. L'Oreal is one of those, to me, like one of the bougiest, best drugstore brands there is. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's not, you know, so cheap that, you know, you can't rely on the products. I love L'Oreal. And next to that, I would say more than likely Maybelline. Next up, we have number 5. Do you wear fake eyelashes? Now, y'all know I do. Here lately, I have tried to get accustomed to myself without fake lashes. So it's been a while since I have worn them. And besides that, I really haven't been going anywhere fancy. So I really don't want to wear the false lashes and just have to toss them out after a couple of times and waste money. So I'm just kind of probably going to be leaning towards no lashes in 2022, the way it looks, because I'm getting used to myself without the long fluttery lashes, and they're just such a bother some days. You know, it's like they occasionally make my eyes water. The glue, I have to use a waterproof, and it's so hard to get off, so I'm trying to move away from it. Let's see. Number 6. Is there any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without? Well, again, I don't know if you can consider lipstick or lip gloss a makeup, which it is a makeup, as part of the makeup realm. I would say lip gloss or lipstick. That's what I cannot do. I can go without some brows or mascara or foundation, but my lips have to be covered at all times. What is your most cherished beauty product? My most cherished beauty product. You know what? There is a particular brand that I have totally loved from day one, and I would say it is the Tarte brand. Overall, I have pretty much everything when it comes to Tarte. As a matter of fact, I'm using quite a bit of the products here in this video. Tarte is the brand that just caught my eye. I love their packaging. I love the quality of their makeup. I love, when they come out with new and innovative kind of, ideas with their products. Just one of those quality brands that, I love. And it's not extremely expensive, but, it's kind of a little pricey. But I love it. So you'll see me use throughout my makeup videos some Tarte products. And if you want to get to the drugstore, I want to say, well, scratch the drugstore. I just want to say probably I love my Fenty Beauty. I'm really new to the whole Fenty thing, just getting majority of my products here within the last 6-8 months, but I love that one as well. And again, it's a little bit more pricier, but I love the quality of the products thus far, just hanging in there. And anyway, enough for that question. How often do you shop for makeup? Do you like to pick up an item here and there or get lots at once? I have teeter-tottered on both of those. Shopping for makeup, right now the biggest thing I probably will pick up is foundation, because that's the one thing I may go through more than anything, or mascara or brow products. Those things just kind of go away pretty fast. But probably, as far as how many times a month I get some makeup, probably once maybe I get something, but not that, and not to any extreme. I used to love, again, certain products like Tarte that I would just, shop, and that would be a bunch of stuff that I would just shop for at one time. But no longer that. I'm not collecting makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't need all of that. So right now I'm just working through what I have. Do you use coupons, reward cards, and sales when you shop for cosmetics? Absolutely. Who doesn't? Heck yeah. I use all the time when I'm shopping with Ulta. You always get a coupon with them. You always get some type of reward, and you also get some type of little goodie that you can add in your bag, when you spend your points. I also use a lot of things like Rocketton, which has coupons on there. I also use Honey, a variety of different things that will give you those extra points off, or either extra dollars off, that you can definitely get bargains. So yes, heck yeah, who doesn't want to do that? Number 10, what type of product do you buy the most of? I think I probably already answered that. It'll be more than likely a foundation. That's what I shop for the most. Just usually going through that for the most part, or sometimes I'm not satisfied with what I have and I'll pick up something else. Okay, number 11, is there a brand that you absolutely can't stand? Well, the only brand I can't say I can't stand it, because I think they have some cute stuff going on in their little brand, and that's Makeup Revolution. But each time I use the eyeshadows, or really the eyeshadows, my eyes begin to water. So I'm thinking that it's just something in them that I can't use. I assume they still make Makeup Revolution, because I haven't shopped for it. I haven't shopped for that in forever. So number 12, do you avoid certain ingredients in cosmetics like parabens and sulfates? Absolutely, I do try. There are some things that you don't realize what's in it until you get it. But I do try to avoid anything that will harm me, or it's not good for my skin, etc. 13. What cosmetic brands have you always wanted to try but still haven't? Heck, there's nothing right now that I can even think of. Nothing. The last thing I was interested in was Fenty Beauty, and I've picked up some of those. I do want to try their foundation, so I'll just go ahead and put that in there. That's the Fenty Beauty foundation. I have not tried it yet, believe it or not. What is your favorite high-end makeup brand? My favorite high-end makeup brand, if this is a high-end, again, to me it is, because I say it's not drugstore pricing, is Fenty Beauty and Heart. Those would be the two that I would say are my favorite, because I have the bulk of a lot of things that is in there. So, and then we have, do you like trying new skincare products, or do you keep a certain routine? Now, y'all know, y'all should be able to answer this question, honey. I switch up the game all the time. But when it comes to moisturizers and things for my skin outside of my natural treatments, probably the bulk of it would be AVON products. I am an AVON representative, have been off and on for years. So quite naturally, I am just an addict for AVON products, and they do my skin well. Number 16, what is your favorite bath and body brand? Ooh, favorite bath and body brand has to be Avon. Honestly speaking, when it comes to overall brand and which particular brand I have more of, that would be Avon. Let's see, number 17. If you could only buy from one brand, which brand would you choose? I'm assuming this is going to be makeup wise. I would probably go with a drugstore brand, which would again be a L'Oreal. Okay. Now, number 18. Do you have a favorite place to shop for makeup? My favorite thus far probably is Ulta, because they do have drugstore and they do have, you know, the higher end brands there. So that would be my favorite place to shop on makeup. But my favorite place to shop anything else is Amazon. Y'all know that, right? Number 19. What brand do you think has the best packaging? Oh, I again will say Tarte. I think they have just some eye-catching little thingamajigs. I love that. As y'all can see, colorful. You know, it makes it look like almost it's a sweet treat inside. Honestly speaking, that's what I love. Number 20, do you have a beauty budget or you spend freely? Really, I probably should have a budget, but usually I spend freely because there's so many things that I do try when it comes to not just makeup, but, you know, skincare products, body products, etc. Number 21, which celebrity always has great makeup? Hell, I don't know. I really don't even look at their makeup. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I would say Rihanna, but she's really just kind of basic and neutral with her makeup. Ooh, y'all, I'm going to pass on that because I really don't know. I would say overall, I would say, just trying to think of someone I really have checked out their makeup. I would say Jada Pinkett Smith. Yeah, her name is Jada Pinkett. Yeah. I would say hers is cute. And listen, I think that's about all of the questions I can get in on this. I will definitely do another one of these if you enjoy it. Make sure you drop a like on the video. The makeup is done. I hope you love that as well. Y'all know how it goes around here. Y'all got to please keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, all of the products I used today will be listed in the description box with links, and I appreciate you all. Take care, and let's get the channel to 4,000 subscribers like today. Thank you. Bye.